A humanoid robot just walked the White House halls, making history in AI and robotics. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Saturday, March 28th, 2026. Figure 03 strolled through the White House during a high-profile summit, greeting guests in 11 languages, showcasing AI's educational potential with humanoid teachers. Amazon surged into consumer robotics by acquiring Fauna Robotics, makers of Sprout, a $50K humanoid designed for home help. Fauna's team now bolsters Amazon's personal robotics group. China is deploying OpenClaw AI-powered robots. Ecovac's Beiji serves homes. Unitree's G1 humanoid navigates in real time. Agilex Robotics pushes natural language control, and Xiaomi tests these AI brains across devices. McDonald's in Shanghai went next level, piloting humanoid robots that wear the company's uniform, greet customers, and deliver food, rolling customer-facing robotics into fast food. Jose, the humanoid robot at San Jose Airport, supports over 50 languages, helping travelers with greetings, questions, and real-time info. Just in time for the FIFA World Cup crowds, that was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about which robot surprises you most. In the comments, give this video a like, and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.